Nissan's range has been electrified. Now, I know new technology can sometimes be rather confusing, but don't worry, I am here to guide you through it. E-Power is available on the Qashqai and the all-new X-Trail.
E-Power uses the combination of a lithium-ion battery and a petrol engine as a generator to feed energy into an electric motor, which in turn drives the wheels.
Now, as the wheels are being driven by the electric motor 100% of the time, it actually makes the Qashqai feel like an electric car to drive with that instant and surprising responsiveness.
It's also a much quieter driving experience compared to the equivalent model with a mild hybrid engine. The petrol engine recharges the battery, and like electric cars, the e-Power system also harnesses the energy usually wasted during braking to recharge the battery, so it doesn't have to be plugged in to charge. It's also up to 20% more fuel efficient than the equivalent model with a mild hybrid petrol engine.
It's really simple to drive, and you won't even need to adjust your driving habits to charge. Clever, eh?